Welcome to The Learner. Upgrade your knowledge. Your journey to smart learning begins now. Stay curious. Stay inspired. The Learner, where learning never stops. I'm getting late for college. Did you pack your bag? I have an early morning class today. I forgot my ID card. My bus hasn't arrived yet. Today I have a long schedule. Which class do we have first? I didn't prepare for the lecture. I hope the professor is not strict today. I didn't complete my assignment. I need to submit my project today. The weather is perfect for college. I woke up late today. I have to print my notes. The library opens at 9 a.m. Today is attendance day. I don't want to miss attendance. My timetable is very tight today. I have back-to-back classes. I'm feeling sleepy in the morning. College life is so fast. I love being in college. College gives real freedom. I like my department. My college is very big. Parking space is always full. I forgot my notebook again. Let's walk to the main gate. The cafeteria is crowded today. Our class starts in 10 minutes. May I come in, sir? Sorry, I'm late. Is this seat taken? Let's sit on the last bench. Please move a little. Can you share your notes? I missed yesterday's class. The professor speaks too fast. I can't understand this topic. Please repeat the question. I need to write this down. The board is not visible. My pen is not working. Do we have a test today? Can we get an extra class? Please slow down, sir. This lecture is very important. I'm taking pictures of the board. Don't talk during the lecture. I'm feeling bored in this class. The AC is not working. It's too hot in the classroom. Today's lecture was tough. The professor gave homework. I need to revise this chapter. We have a group presentation. Who will present first? Let's meet after class. The lecture ended early. I enjoyed today's class. Where are you sitting? Come to the cafeteria. Let's go to the canteen. What did you bring for lunch? I'm very hungry. Let's eat together. Do you have any free period? Which subject do you like the most? Who is your favorite teacher? Let's bunk the next class. I'm not in the mood to study. We have so many assignments. Let's finish them together. I'm going to the library. Come with me. Are you free after class? Let's go home together. I need help with this topic. Can you explain this to me? I forgot my notes again. Please share the file on WhatsApp. Let's work on the project today. Who is in our group? We need to choose a topic. Don't fight, guys. Let's take a break. Don't worry, we will pass. This week is very stressful. I want to rest for a while. Let's take some selfies. The lighting is perfect here. Let's record a short video. Your bag looks nice. Where did you buy this? Let's sit in the garden. Today's weather is lovely. I don't feel like studying. We have practicals tomorrow. Don't forget to revise. Let's plan something for the weekend. The cafeteria is full today. Let's wait for an empty table. What do you want to eat? The fries here are the best. I want to try something new. The food is a little expensive. The tea tastes great today. This juice is very fresh. The pizza is too salty. Let's order together. I forgot my wallet. Can you pay for me? I'll return it later. The queue is too long. They are taking too much time. The place is very noisy. I like sitting near the window. The canteen food is getting worse. Let's go outside and eat. I want to try a new cafe. The cafeteria closes early. We need to hurry. Don't spill your drink. Where is my order? I think they forgot it. Let's complain to the counter. The lunch break is too short. I'm so full. Let's get some ice cream. Lunch time is the best part of college. The library is very quiet. Please keep silence. I need a study table. Where is the science section? I want to borrow this book. When is the return date? I forgot my library card. The librarian is very strict. Don't talk loudly. This book is very helpful. Let's study together here. I need reference books. I'm preparing for exams. The Wi-Fi is slow. My laptop battery is low. I need to take notes. Don't disturb me. I need complete silence to study. Let's sit in the corner. This chapter is very long. I'm getting sleepy. Let's take a short break. The library will close soon. I want to photocopy this page. Where is the printer room? I need to finish this assignment. We have exams next week. I need more time to study. Let's come again tomorrow. I like studying in the library. I'm very nervous for the exam. I didn't revise properly. The syllabus is very long. I can't memorize anything. I studied the whole night. I feel sleepy now. We have back-to-back exams. The paper was very hard. I hope I pass. I wrote whatever I knew. The exam hall is very cold. I need extra sheets. The invigilator is very strict. Don't talk during the exam. I forgot the formula. I knew the answer, but I forgot. The time was not enough. My handwriting got very bad. I finished the paper early. Let's discuss the answers. The assignment is due tomorrow. I haven't started yet. This project is too difficult. We need to submit on Google Classroom. The teacher asked for a soft copy. I need to format the document. My laptop is hanging. The internet is very slow. I'm feeling stressed. I want a break. College life is very challenging. But it's also fun. I love working in groups. Sometimes group members don't help. Teamwork makes everything easier. I hope I get good marks. I want to improve my grades. I will study harder next semester. This semester was tough. But we made a lot of memories. Before you go, like, share and subscribe. Your one click gives us the strength to keep spreading education.